Well, hello, beautiful. We are headed to the thrift today. I don't need anything really. So you get what you get and you don't throw a fit at this one. So let's just go look and we'll have fun. And I'm here with my girl, 22. I don't know why, but I find it so hard to shop the dresses in a thrift store. I tend to avoid them, but that's what I need the most because I wear dresses at work all the time. So I'm gonna force myself to go through all these dresses. I think I know why I don't thrift dresses here, because I can't find what I need quickly. I don't mind looking around in other locations for other things, but dresses, for some reason, I just want to get them and go.
Hey, it's me, Trinity. I'm here with JoDee, Kenney, thrifter extraordinaire.
What do you think about this jacket? I kind of like it. It's got a little bit of shoulder pad action, but
Oh my goodness. It's definitely something.
if I got rid of the shoulder pads?
Yeah. So yeah, we're just up in the Salvation Army. Getting some good finds.
Really good vibes.
So that's all for me. I'm signing off.
Okay, my daughter totally laughed at me when I pulled this out, but it's kind of cool. This is pretty. It's half off.
Half off.
Nice little skirt. Look at this vintage coat. It's so pretty. Look at that tag. What is that? Flags of Albany? Or oh, it's from South Pearl Street. So cool. Hand tailored by Denise. You like it?
I do.
A little too much?
It's very dramatic.
Huh?
It's very dramatic.
Oh, look, there's gloves in here.
Whoa.
No?
I don't know if I love that one.
This one's nice. I just don't carry purses this big. So I was thinking about taking this apart. It's on sale for $3, $1.50. Should I get this, or well, is it like a waste of? You know I'm never gonna do that.
Yeah.
Dang it, it's so cute though. I wish you were a baby. I could still do you dress like that. Do you like this?
Yes.
You just said yes, but you shook your head no. Okay. Ooh, how about these?
It's very colorful. It's definitely a power move.
You don't like it?
I like it better than the other stuff.
It's not on sale.
Ooh.
I don't need it.
No.
Although it's fun. Okay, we are back at home and it's time now for the haul. Okay, I was doing really great and I didn't spend hardly any money until I went over to the household section. And so my total came out to $66.69. I probably would have gotten away with less than $20 had I just stayed in the clothing section, but I came across some amazing things in the household area that I wanted to show you. So the first thing that I came across were these 2 party light candles, brand new in the box. The box was sealed. This one is vanilla and this one's mulberry raspberry. And they smell amazing. They are brand new. The wicks haven't even been tried. I'm telling you, these were completely closed in their box when I got them. And I got them for $4.49 each. I could not believe this. We love candles here at the house. So I thought that these could be a great addition to my house. I also got these apples and oak village candles. And they were $1.99 each. Looked like somebody had just tried to start them and then donated them. They didn't like them, but they smell amazing and I couldn't believe the price. So I had to pick up these, $1.99 each. I also got these candles. I know I went crazy with candles, but I couldn't help it. They were brand new, never been used before. This one smells kind of perfumey. My daughter really liked it, $1.99. And I don't know what the scent is, but it's really soft and light and flowery. Nothing really like huge, like with scent or anything. And then this one's Wild Orchid, which I really loved. Love the scent of it. Completely brand new in the container, $1.99. And the last candle item that I got was this candle. You could tell somebody had tried to burn it a couple of times. Thinking back on it, I'm not exactly sure if I should have got this, but I thought this would be great because it came with the base. And so I can always take the candle off and put individual candles on it. And I thought that this was just so cute. And let me see, the price on this was $3.99. I just couldn't pass it up. I can't wait to use all of these candles and I think they're gonna be a nice addition to my home. On top of that, I also wanted to think about how I could put the candles on something and, because I don't want the wicks to melt all over the place. So I was looking for some nice glass items and I came across this blue glass. These are actually saucers. They came with some beautiful little teacups. I got 5 saucers, 49 cents each, and then they only had 2 cups. But I like to have a cup of tea or a small cup of coffee in the afternoon. So I ended up getting the cups because, I love to have a little dainty little cup to drink from. And then of course, this would be great to hold the candles, or I could just set one aside for myself and have a nice spot of tea. This is the jacket that I questioned whether or not I should get. It was on sale from $8.99, 50% off. So literally $4.50. Is that right? Yeah. $4.50, but it had humongous shoulder pads. I'm talking humongous shoulder pads. So I took them out and I sewed back the lining and now I feel like the coat just fits so much better and it's 100% leather. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this show. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe down below because we are making our way to 1,000 subscribers. And when we get there, we are going to do a big giveaway. And I want you to be a part of that. I want you to be a part of this wonderful family, you beautiful person. Thank you so much for tuning in. And why don't you share this with a friend? Share this with a friend. Let them know what they're missing out on because we're having a good time here. And we're going to have more good times. I really appreciate you. Love you. Bye.